Everybody is talking about NVIDIA. Everybody is talking about Palantir. But almost nobody is talking about UiPath. That might be a mistake. While investors are chasing the biggest names in artificial intelligence, UiPath has quietly built a profitable business, focused on one of the most important trends of this decade: automation. Today, we'll find out whether PATH stock is a hidden opportunity or a value trap. Let's get started. Imagine a company with thousands of employees performing the same tasks every single day: processing invoices, answering customer requests, managing databases, checking reports. Now imagine artificial intelligence doing all of that work automatically. That's exactly what UiPath does. The company develops software that allows businesses to automate repetitive tasks, save time, reduce costs, and increase productivity. As AI continues to expand, the demand for these services could increase dramatically. Now let's talk about the numbers. UiPath currently has a market capitalization of more than $6 billion. Annual revenue stands at approximately $1.61 billion, while net income has reached around $282 million. The company also maintains a healthy balance sheet and continues investing heavily in future growth. Unlike many technology companies, UiPath isn't simply selling a dream. It's already generating real revenue and real profits. The stock is currently trading around $12. At the moment, investors are closely watching two critical price levels. The first level is support near $10. The second level is resistance around $13.50. If buyers gain control and push the stock above that resistance level, the next target could be $15 and eventually $17. However, if sellers take over, the stock could revisit lower levels before beginning its next move higher. Analysts remain cautiously optimistic. The average price target currently stands at $13.40. The most bullish analysts expect the stock to reach $17, while more conservative estimates place the stock near $12. In other words, Wall Street believes the upside opportunity still exists. The future of artificial intelligence isn't only about creating smarter machines. It's also about making businesses faster, more efficient, and more productive. That's where UiPath comes in. Will Path stock become the next great AI success story? Nobody knows for sure. But one thing is certain: this is definitely a stock worth watching very closely, because sometimes the biggest opportunities are the ones nobody's talking about.